All right, Nicole, thank you. It is Friday. That means it's time to check in at the Connecticut Science Center. Channel 3's Mark Dixon explores the Real Bodies exhibit.
Hey guys, on this Friday morning, we're back at the Science Center in Real Bodies. It's their new exhibition space in the Traveling Gallery. Here with Sean, of course, because it's broken up into 10 different galleries to come and explore.
Yeah, there's 10 unique mini galleries within the Real Bodies exhibition, and we are here in the Love Gallery. And we're standing in front of this metal sculpture of a heart, and it's a really unique aspect of the exhibition because it's an interactive component where you can actually write a love letter to someone you love. And it's going to travel with the exhibition when it leaves here, Hartford.
All right, so this is about a week's worth of love letters that have been attached to the heart. It's hard to make it out, but there is a big metal heart behind here. You've got padlocks, different ways to attach the letters, and these are all cataloged.
They are. They're cataloged and curated every week. We take them down very carefully. We curate them, and again, they will travel with the exhibition. So wherever it's going from here, when it leaves Hartford in June, these letters and trinkets that you leave behind are going to go with it. So it's a really unique aspect of the exhibition.
All right, so there's 9 other mini galleries that are part of this exhibition. You get to, of course, see all of this with general admission.
Yeah, it's all included with general admission, and it is a limited engagement for us. So definitely make a point of getting here before June, because then it's going to be gone.
All right, so it wraps up on June 30th. It's on the 4th floor of the South Tower. Science Center hours, of course, 10 to 5, both Saturday and Sunday. We hope you make the Science Center a destination of yours this weekend.